The Office of the Judiciary will inaugurate the Magistrate's Court for Environmental Crimes in Otjiwarongo today. Its establishment provides a specialized platform for addressing wildlife and environmental crime in the country. Joining us with more on the line all the way from Otjiwarongo with more details on this is the Deputy Prosecutor General of Environmental Crime Division at the Office of the Prosecutor General. Pardon me, he is in Fintuk, and that is Advocate Johannes Kalipi. Advocate, good morning.
Good morning, Dapeo, and good morning, Namibia.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right. Kindly just talk to us about the aim of this significant event that is expected to take place in Otjiwarongo.
So the aim of establishing a permanent environmental crimes court at Otjiwarongo is to deal with a complex syndicate-driven environmental crimes cases, especially those involving wildlife crime, in finalizing significant number of cases from the main court row, and then giving court sufficient time to deal with other trials, and thereby increasing the rate of finalization of cases in those affected regions. As you know, Otjiwarongo falls under the Otjozondjupa region, which covers areas such as Omaruru, Korihas, Okakarara, Ocho, Kamanyabe, and Otavi, which all fall under Otjiwarongo district. And we know that poaching of wildlife is committed in places like Waterberg, Etosha National Park, in the Otjiwarongo district, and it is running parallel into other regions where products are found.
All right. We do understand that wildlife crime has escalated alarmingly in Namibia over the past decade. The public has been focusing on rhino poaching. What other crimes involve wildlife as well as environmental crimes?
So in the Pewa, environmental crimes are quite wide. So your normal environmental crimes would vary from illegal hunting of and illegal trade in endangered species. Its products related to rhinos, elephants, and pangolins is still a concern. And then poaching of huntable and other protected games and wild animals for commercial purposes. And then we move on to the forest product. And your newly involving trends such as illegal harvesting and trafficking of our rare and endemic plants, inland and sea illegal fishing in contravention of the control imposed by fisheries legislation, illegal lodging for timber and land laundering of wood, and other associated crimes that are being investigated and prosecuted parallel with wildlife and environmental crimes are the Contravention of Arms and Ammunition Act and money laundering offenses, such as the disguising of unlawful origin of property, assisting another to benefit from proceeds of unlawful activities, acquisition, possession, or use of proceeds of unlawful activity, and unexplained wealth under the Prevention of Organized Crime Act, and also illegal possession of natural resources such as uncut diamonds. And syndicates are committing these crimes with corrupt public officials in order to engage criminal activities and money laundering.
Advocate, we understand that the criminal justice system has come into particular focus between the start of 2015 and the end of 2023, where 2,567 wildlife cases were registered, but only 958 were finalized. What would you say are some of the challenges experienced by the courts when it comes to the address of finalizing some of these cases?
Mina, that is a good observation. But as from 2022 up to now, the situation has improved, and our office, the Office of the Prosecutor General, introduced and implemented special court in hotspot areas across the country, which are yielding positive results. At present, the rate at which wildlife cases are being finalized is far from ideal due to the huge load of cases on our court roll. challenges are many, which could be the availability of accused persons' legal representatives, an accused person having not placed their legal representative into funds, accused person firing their lawyers, excuses and unwillingness of accused persons to finalize their cases, accused are opting to apply for formal bail applications rather than going for plea and trial, which are rather lengthy, absconding of co-accused when the case comes for plea and trial, accused persons opting to apply for legal aid when he or she has indicated that he or she will conduct his own defense when the matter goes to trial. And accused are granted bail. They frustrate the justice system by delaying the start of their trial.
Right. Now, we do understand that the Permanent Environmental Crimes Court is located in Otjiwarongo. Kindly just talk to us about this new, much-needed intervention.
So the Office of the Prosecutor General, together with members of the Environmental Crimes Unit in our office, identified Otjiwarongo as the most ideal place to establish the Environmental Crimes Court due to the fact that most cases involving hunting of rhinos and other protected animals and protected plants, which are rare in the world, are concentrated in the Otjiwarongo region. And it also regards to the number of cases registered within the Otjiwarongo region.
All right. As mentioned earlier, the inauguration is taking place today. Kindly just give us a roundup of what the public can look forward to.
So the inauguration is today at the Otjiwarongo Magistrate Environmental Crimes Court. The inauguration will be live streamed via Facebook page, Namibian Judiciary. Amongst the speakers is His Lordship Justice Peter S. Shivute, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Namibia, Advocate Martha Imalwa, the Prosecutor General of Namibia, Honorable Yvonne Dowsap, Minister of Justice, His Excellency Mr. Landy Berry, the Ambassador of the United States of America to Namibia, and the court will be inaugurated by Her Excellency Dr. Netumbo Nandi Daitwa, the Vice President of the Republic of Namibia. This event will open the door to a new chapter in the combating of prosecuting of wildlife crimes in Namibia, which is a much notable milestone, as this special wildlife crimes court will only be the second in Africa, following our brothers Uganda.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning and for talking to us, Advocate Kalipi.
Thank you so much, Ndapewa.
All right. That was Advocate Johannes Kalipi, who is the Deputy Prosecutor General of the Environmental Crime Division of the Office of the Prosecutor General, talking to us about the Office of the Judiciary as it is expected to inaugurate the Magistrates Court for Environmental Crimes, and the inauguration is expected to take place in Otjiwarongo.